Welcome, friends. Can ocean create millions of jobs? The India and Africa Blue Economy Partnership is proving that future of employment may lie not on land but at sea or in the ocean. So, if you want more UPSC, RBI, Grade B, NABARD, economics, current affairs explained in simple way, please like and subscribe this video. So, how India and Africa can create jobs in 2026. Blue trade. Blue trade refers to the trade and economic activities linked to oceans, seas, ports, fisheries, aquaculture, maritime transport, shipbuilding, coastal tourism, and marine renewable energy and ocean-based services. Indian and African countries are increasingly strengthening, cooperating in the blue economy, especially across the Indian Ocean region. The partnership is creating jobs on both sides through trade, investment, skills development, and maritime infrastructure. So, port and maritime logistic jobs growing. India and Africa trade requires port expansion, cargo handling, warehousing, shipping services, custom and logistic management. New maritime corridors between India and East Africa are increasing demand for port workers, logistic managers, freight operators, supply chain professionals, etc. Second is fisheries and aquaculture employment. India is expanding seafood exports and sharing expertise in aquaculture with African partners. This creates jobs in fish farming, seafood processing, cold chain logistics, export marketing, quality certification, etc. India has set an ambitious target to significantly increase seafood export, making fisheries a major source of employment growth. So seafoods are very much in demand, so this industry is getting boost. Next is shipbuilding and marine engineering. Cooperation in blue economy encourages ship construction, ship repair yards, marine equipment manufacturing, coastal infrastructure projects. These sectors generate skilled and semi-skilled jobs for engineers, technicians, welders, and maritime specialists. Then comes fourth number, coastal tourism and hospitality. Many African coastal nations and island states are partnering with India in sustainable tourism and maritime services, which creates employment in hotels and resorts, cruise tourism, transport services, tour operations, local handicraft, and fisheries. Blue tourism is becoming major employment generator in coastal regions. Fifth is blue energy and renewable projects. India and its partners are investing in offshore wind energy, ocean-based renewable energy, coastal green infrastructure, which these projects create jobs for engineers, project managers, environmental experts, and technicians. Then comes number six, skill development and training. A major focus on India-Africa cooperation is human resource development. Training programs in maritime management, logistics, fisheries, digital technologies help to create a skilled workforce ready for blue economy jobs. Last but not least is digital and ocean tech employment. Blue trade increasingly relies on marine data analysis, satellite monitoring, small ports, maritime cyber security. These emerging sectors create high value jobs for IT professionals and data specialists. So it also requires Blue Economy Observatory. So India and Africa Blue Trade in 2026 is creating jobs through maritime logistics, fisheries, aquaculture, shipbuilding, coastal tourism, renewable energy, and ocean technology, combining India's maritime expertise with Africa's vast marine resources. The partnership supports sustainable growth, food security, employment generation across the Indian Ocean region. So that is very important and encouraging for both the countries. Thank you.